You're gonna like this recipe, sweet and savory smoked beef ribs. And I'm gonna do it in a step-by-step video to show you all the important ingredients and the steps to follow. I'm also smoking spicy beef ribs with a peanut butter binder for another video. So at the end of this video, we're gonna have a taste test and see which one wins. Comment which rib recipe you think would be better. And out of all the comments, I'm gonna pick a few users and send them some food crazy swag. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do to these ribs to make them a little bit better is on the one side there's a membrane, and we're gonna take the knife and remove that by simply getting the knife underneath the membrane and just sliding it along and cutting it off. All right, now it's time to start with the spices for the sweet and savory ribs. And what I'm gonna do is I have some honey, I'm gonna pour in the bowl, maple syrup, and soy sauce. After you have it mixed up good, and the honey's all off the bottom, mixed in with the maple syrup and the soy sauce, drizzle it over the ribs. And take the ribs and roll it around the sauce to completely cover it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the dry spices. So we have salt, pepper, onion powder, smoked paprika, garlic, and Italian spice. Now take your ribs and roll them all around and distribute the spices in the wet mixture all over them. Put them in a large bag and we'll pour whatever is in the pan over the top of them, mix them up, and we're gonna refrigerate them for 2 hours. So before you put the ribs in the fridge, start up your smoker and preheat this to 275. And I'll see you in about an hour. Ribs are out of the fridge, they're ready to put into the smoker. Oh, them are beautiful. They're looking very nice. So the only thing left to do is we're gonna hang these in the smoker with these. So we're just gonna insert this into the meat. We'll hang them like that. All right, so we're gonna hang these in the smoker. Ribs, they've been on 3 hours. I have wrapped these before in tinfoil to help keep the moisture in, but with all these spices and ingredients, I'm gonna continue to leave this go at 275 for another 2 hours, and I'm not gonna wrap them. They're gonna be juicy and delicious, I can guarantee it. All right, so these bad boy beef ribs, they've been smoking for a little over 5 hours. They're definitely done. We're gonna take them out. These are the sweet and savory beef ribs. Look at them. Don't them look good? They look beautiful to me. They're definitely beautiful looking ribs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let them cool down a bit, and then we're gonna do a taste test. I got my girls here. All right, so we're ready to do a taste test. Hit the subscribe, please. We have sweet and savory smoked beef ribs, and we have spicy beef ribs with peanut butter binder. And we're gonna do a taste test, and we're all gonna choose which one's best, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we got all the girls here
excited
to try it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut into them. I'm gonna cut some pieces up. Cut this like that. Turn it for the camera. You can see, oh look, you can see this beautiful smoke ring. Let's see if you can see that. Beautiful smoke ring. What we'll do is we'll cut this in pieces. 4.
It smells so good.
Awesome. Look at that. I got a beautiful smoke ring. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Cut this into pieces. All right. You guys dig in. Come on in, dig in.
Holy. Okay, what one's this?
This one is the sweet and savory.
This one's good as... That's what it is.
I'll have to beat that out.
Ooh! Okay. The outside on that is crazy.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Here.
Like, insane.
Wait.
It's so good.
Mm.
I'm a little nervous for this one, not gonna lie.
It's good.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe.
Leave a comment down below if you want to see more of us. This one is, I like this one better. Me too.
They're
That
both.
one- me 3.
You guys like this one the best? This one's secret.
Yeah. This one's really good too. It's super close. It tastes a little more meaty, which is somewhat good. Like it's a different,
Maybe hit a meatier piece.
That's a little.
but it's good. Like I like the meat taste on that. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I'll try it out. All right, so this one wins. Everybody have a good day, and don't forget to hit subscribe.